Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is another Makeup Monday collab, so if you want to see what I do today and hear all the information, stay tuned. So today's video is for Makeup Monday, and we do it over there on Instagram, and I do it here to let you know how I created this look. We do different themes, and this week's theme is all yellow. I like doing these monochromatic looks sometimes, and I love that the lovely lady that's hosting this picks them to do each month, like one week out of the month. And I really love yellow. I love playing around with it. I think it's a cute color, so I did a full yellow look for this eye look, so if you do enjoy it, and continue watching to see the full tutorial of how I created this eye look, and please tell me down below what you think of it. I will link the ladies down below. It will be their Instagram, but please go check out their Instagram, show them some love, share their pictures some love, and follow them, and tell them I sent you for new to them. We really appreciate it for all the love, and I really love this collab, and hope y'all do enjoy seeing it as well. This is going to be a quick, easy one, so I hope y'all still enjoy it, and continue watching, and I'll be back at the end of the video. So if you got this far in the video and enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below what your favorite color to use to do for this monochromatic. Let me know down below, and you'll be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think. It's a cute look. Hopefully y'all did enjoy it. Please let me know if you enjoy seeing Makeup Mondays each week. I love to know that. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of the eye look. And don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.